Mathematicians, it's Miss Duckett here, ready to guide you through another math lesson. I'm so excited to learn with you all today. Today, we are going to be solving problems and writing two-step solutions. If you're ready, let me hear you say, ooh, oh yeah, I'm ready. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Let's start off with a number sentence. Let's solve 8 plus 4 equals something. Go ahead and press pause and use your personal whiteboards to solve this problem. Remember, you can always use linking cubes if you need extra support. I'll be right here waiting when you get back. Welcome back. Well, what's 8 plus 4? That's right. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Let's look at the number 12. Do we have any 10s in the number 12? Give me a thumbs up if yes, or a thumbs down if no. Yes, we do. How many 10s do we have? You got it. We have 1 10. Do we have any extra ones? That's right. We have 2 extra ones. In the number 12, we have 1 10 and 2 extra ones. 1 10 and 2 extra ones make the number 12. 1 10 and 2 ones. 8 and 4. Hey, mathematicians, I have some questions. We just solved 8 plus 4. Do we have any 10s in the number 8? No, we don't. Do we have any 10s in the number 4? That's right, we don't. So then how did we take 8 and 4, which has no 10s, to get an answer of 12, which has 1 10 and 2 ones? Take a moment to think. Well, mathematicians, I have my friend Daniel who's going to help us answer this question. Say hi, Daniel. Okay, so Daniel, my friends and I just solved the problem 8 plus 4 equals something. And we found out that it equals 12. But then we noticed that 8 has no 10s and 4 has no 10s. So we were wondering, how did we take 2 numbers that has no 10s to get an answer of 12 that has 1 10 and 2 ones?
We added 8 and 4 together.
Okay. Well then, how did we add 8 and 4 together to make 1 10 and 2 ones, which equals 12?
I broke apart 4 into 2 and 2. Then I added 8 and 2 to make 1 10. And then added 2 more ones.
Okay, so mathematicians, while Daniel was speaking, I was thinking a lot about the number sentences. Let's see if my number sentences matches how you explained how you solved this problem. Okay, so to solve 8 plus 4, you broke apart 4 into 2 and 2. Then you wanted to make 10 because we know 10 is a friendly number. So you added 8 and 2 together. A number sentence could be 8 plus 2 equals 10. So now we have 1 10 and 2 extra ones, and you added those together. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. Go Miss Duckett. Did I explain that correctly, Daniel?
You got
so much for helping my friend tonight. It's about time to say bye to Daniel. Say bye. Well, mathematicians, I want you to write on your personal whiteboards exactly what I have on my personal whiteboard. Go ahead and press pause, and I'll be right here waiting when you get back. Now, I want you to pick up your imaginary phone and go ahead and pretend to tell a friend about how these number sentences show that we made 110 and 2 ones when we solved 8 plus 4. Go ahead and do that now. So mathematicians, today as we solve our problems, our goal is to write 2 number sentences to show how we make 110. Are you ready for another problem? Great, let's get started. Now let's solve 8 plus 5 equals something. Are there any 10s in the number 8? Nope. Are there any 10s in the number 5? Great. There's no 10s in the number 5. Well, let's go ahead and solve 8 plus 5 and see what our answer is. What are some ways that we can solve 8 plus 5? I heard a lot of different ideas. I heard one person say that we can count on, like this: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What's 8 plus 5? Bada boom, bada bang, you got it. That's right. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Well, let's think about the number 13. Do we have any 10s in the number 13? That's right. We have 1 10. Do we have any extra ones? Yes, we have 3 extra ones. So once again, we started off with 2 numbers that have no 10s. 8 has no 10s, and 5 has no 10s. But when we added them together, we got an answer of 13, which has 1 10 and 3 ones. Let's make a number sentence to show how we made 110 and then added extra ones. How many more does 8 need to get to 10? That's right, we need 2 more. Let's break apart 5 into 2 and 3. Now, let's add our 2 to the 8. Our number sentence would be 8 plus 2 equals 10. How many extra ones do we still need to add? Yes, 3 extra ones. What number sentence can we use to add that together? You got it. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Great, mathematicians. This helps me understand how we added 8 and 5 together to make 1 10 and 3 ones. Let's solve another one. Now let's solve 9 plus 6 equals something. Does 9 have any 10s? Say no way, Jose. That's right. 9 doesn't have any 10s. Well, does 6 have any 10s? Nope, it doesn't. So let's see what happens when we add 9 and 6 together. Let's try counting on. Get ready. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Mathematicians, what's 9 plus 6? You got it. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Do we have any tens in the number 15? Yes, we have 1 10. And do we have any extra ones in the number 15? Yes, we have 5 extra ones. So 1 10 and 5 extra ones make the number 15. Let's write number sentences to see how we added 9 and 6 together in order to make 1 10 and 5 ones. When you look at the number 9, how many extra ones do we need in order to get to 10? That's right. We need 1 extra one to make 10. Let's break apart 6 into 1 and 5. Now we can make 10. Our number sentence would be 9 plus 1 equals 10. How many extra ones do we still have? Yes, 5 extra ones. So our number sentence would be 10 plus 5 equals 15.